To fix an air conditioner that's not draining water, there are several possible causes to consider. Firstly, a clogged drain line due to mold, dirt, or debris buildup is a common issue, which can be resolved by using a wet, dry vacuum to clear the clog. Another possible cause is improper installation or setup of the unit, resulting in the water not dripping as expected. To correct this, use a level to check if the unit is installed correctly and adjust its position if necessary. A dirty air filter can also cause the evaporator coils to freeze, affecting water drainage, so it's essential to inspect the air filters regularly and replace or clean them with water as needed, ideally, making this a monthly routine. Additionally, a malfunctioning condensate pump can prevent water from being pumped out properly. So listen for the sound of the pump running to ensure it's operating and check that it's correctly connected to the power source. Remove any debris and replace the pump if it's still defective. Before performing any inspections, be sure to turn the power off. Low refrigerant levels can also be a cause, especially in arid weather when the AC may produce less condensation. In this case, it's recommended to hire a licensed HVAC technician to inspect and refill the refrigerant. When seeking professional help, be prepared to describe the issue, provide the unit's make and model, and ask about the technician's services, availability, charges, and warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your air conditioner's drainage issue.